Now we'll walk you through the cuisine types section of the admin panel. Here, the admin can view a complete list of all cuisine types available on the platform. The table includes the serial number, image, name of the cuisine, such as Chinese, pudding, or cake, angers, and the date it was created. Admins can easily activate or deactivate any cuisine directly from this list. This allows complete control over which cuisines are visible to end users. To edit a cuisine, simply click on the Edit option. You can change the name, enable or disable associated brands, or update the cuisine image. If no changes are required, you can simply cancel the operation. Admins can also delete a cuisine from the platform, copy the cuisine ID for reference, or reorder the display sequence. Reordering is simple. Just drag and drop the cuisine into your desired order. The search feature makes it quick to find any cuisine. For example, typing Indian will display all related cuisine types, like North Indian or South Indian. You can also delete a cuisine using the trash icon or export the entire list to your local system for reporting. To add a new cuisine, simply click on Add Cuisine, enter the name, enable or disable brands as needed, upload the cuisine image, and save it. The new cuisine will now be part of your platform. For better navigation, you can move between different pages of cuisine listings using the pagination controls. And that's a quick overview of the cuisine types management feature in the admin panel.